How to fix live activities not working on your iPhone. In this video, we'll discover some secrets to revive the live activities feature and get your Uber Eats or InDrive back on track. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll down until you find the app that you want to fix. I found my app called InDrive. Tap on it. Now make sure that live activities of your app is on. Kindly tap on it to make it on. You also have to make sure that your location is on. Tap on the first option and make sure that it is tapped on always. It will now show you the option of precise location. Tap and make it on. In this way, you can fix live activities on your phone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.